Powered by a high-quality hydraulic pump station, the CTD ensures strong, consistent performance for even the toughest jobs. The C model steel mast guarantees safety and stability, while the baking finish surface resists torsion and fading, ensuring a long-lasting, professional appearance. Equipped with a large capacity battery, it provides over 6 hours of uninterrupted work on a single charge, giving you extended productivity. The advanced electronic control system responds quickly and intuitively, making operation a breeze. Whether you're organizing a warehouse or managing stock in a retail space, the CTD semi-electric stacker delivers performance and peace of mind every time.